Good day, everyone. We made it. We are here in Tobermory.
Woohoo!
It was a pretty good drive overall. Kind of long. About 3 hours.
It was more like 3.5 slash, maybe give or take 20 minutes because we had to stop partway through because of construction.
Sounds about right. But we're pretty much all settled in now. We're just gonna go head out, grab some lunch, and then we're going to explore the town and see what there is. So we're gonna be here for the entire weekend. We'll probably have a multi-part series, lots of stuff to film, lots of vlogs coming your way, so stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let the adventures begin. While we were in Tobermory, Michael and I stayed in a cabin from Mikinak Cottage and Cabin Rentals. The property features 3 units, and the one we stayed in was attached to the back of a larger one. Let's take a look inside. It wasn't anything overly huge or fancy, but it had everything we needed for our stay. 2 beds, a bathroom, a kitchenette, a TV with Netflix, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Overall, we were very impressed with our accommodations, and the owners were super friendly and helpful. All right, we're all settled in, and now it's time for lunch. Lucky for us, there's a taco truck literally right next door.
Sprite, and Bush's Crafty Seagull. Awesome. Thank you very much.
All right, we are here at Tacomory. I just got a pork taco.
I got a chicken taco.
We're very excited. We knew about this taco truck before we came, so yeah, we're looking forward to it. Okay, here they are. These are our tacos. We got the combo. So it came with chips, salsa, 2 tacos if you're choosing, and a drink. So something interesting about the pork tacos is that it actually contains pineapple, of all things to put on a taco. And both tacos feature a custom sauce, I believe, called Tacomory sauce. How would you describe it? I would have to agree. All right, so we are basically downtown. We're not gonna show off too much yet. We're just kind of trying to get an idea of what's here and what we want to do over the weekend. But one thing we will show you right away is that there's this little harbor area, and downtown just kind of goes around it, and you can see lots of boats in the water. One of our first stops in the town center was at the Golden Gallery Tobermory. Obviously, I wasn't able to film inside, but the gallery featured some paintings and other pieces of art by Canadian artists that you could purchase and take home as a souvenir. So tomorrow we are going on a tour, a shipwreck tour to Flower Pot Island. So we get to see some shipwrecks, and then we go on the island and explore for a bit. And this will be the boat that we take. As you can see, it's a glass bottom boat, so we'll be able to see right through to the bottom. We'll be able to see all the shipwrecks below us. So yeah, really looking forward to that. All right, we just went on a pretty big walk all the way around Big Tub Harbor, but I think we made it to the end, and I believe there's a lighthouse up ahead, so let's check it out. We just got back from the lighthouse. Well, we're still heading back. We didn't get back yet, but we saw the lighthouse. We took some pictures, and yeah, we're gonna head back into the town. We're gonna find a place for dinner. What are we gonna get? We should decide this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We are at the Crowsnest Pub. It is this beautiful patio restaurant. Well, there's an indoor section too, but we're on the patio overlooking the harbor. All right, Michael, what did we get?
We got the pub basket combo and the grilled chicken sandwich.
So here's the grilled chicken sandwich, which came with kettle chips right here.
Which are made in-house.
Are they good? Awesome. And then right over here we have the pub basket, which includes onion rings, jalapeno poppers, mozzarella sticks, and something mushroomy. So close. Right there. They have no fear. That was scary. So yeah, at Crowsnest Pub you get a dinner and a show. These seagulls have no fear. They've been getting so close to us. I mean, like, look, there's one right there. Crazy. Bringing the big guns out now.
And of course, they've all disappeared. They have soft serve.
Okay, despite the fact that it's really cold out, where are we going?
To get ice cream.
Yeah, we are. We walked down to the docks to enjoy our ice cream and watch the sunset. And that was basically the end of our first day at Tobermory. Overall, it was a great start to the trip, and we're very excited for our next few days here. I just wanted to clarify that Crowsnest Pub really was a great place to eat, and they do try to keep the seagulls under control. As you saw, they bring out the water pistol when they have to. But yeah, if you're really that concerned, indoor dining is always an option. Anyways, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. Follow me on social media at ADVParker, and follow Michael on Instagram at ProMike7000. Be sure to stay tuned for future Tobermory vlogs coming soon. And remember, the adventure is calling. Bye guys!